Hi, this is Ron. The best way to show you how our network works is to take you to the dashboard that all customers receive. This is the management dashboard, so it has a lot of customers. Here's an example of what the customer would receive. This is Dr. Karen Gomez. She has chiropractic offices in Florida, and here are some of her locations. She came to us a few months ago, and I'm going to show you her statistics since we started with her. And here are the analytics. And everyone gets a dashboard like this as well. She started actually in May, and you can see these are Google's historical SERP data showing traffic. When she started in May, you can see she was getting about 4 hits a day, and now she's up to about 35, so it's constantly going up. Here are her stats, and when she started, it was May 25th. We also, if you notice, there's a list of all these keywords. She had 2 ranked results on Google when she started, and she had a few on Yahoo and Bing, as you can see. If you'll notice, she's a chiropractor and she specializes in helping auto accident victims. She wanted to have some articles written in Spanish as well as English, keywords in Spanish, so we did that for her, which we can do. So let's look at her current results, and you can see the green number here is the amount of positions they've moved up. So on Google, she was 103, and now she's number 3. And on Yahoo, she was not on the top 100 pages. Our system only goes up to 1,000. And now she's number 18 for that keyword. So here, this one's gone up 102. And this one went up, auto accident injury Hollywood, Florida, went up 998 spots. So she's number 2 now. She added more keywords to her campaign. She's been so happy about this. And a lot of these keywords, even though it's for a chiropractic business, they're similar keywords. Auto accident, injury, Miami, Florida is a keyword that a personal injury attorney might also choose. And those keywords on Google AdWords on pay-per-click are like $50 to $100 a click, some of them. And she's getting a lot of value from her campaign. We can look at the dashboard, and here is an auto accident clinic, Hollywood, Florida. And if we click, you can see, if you look at this, she's ranked number 1, 2, and 3. So she has 3 of the top rankings for that particular keyword, which sometimes happens because you'll get additional positions from articles that we write for the customer. So now let's take a look at the other factors for Dr. Gomez. Here is keyword content. Now, content is a very important aspect for SEO. And as part of our dashboard, our customers can see every keyword in their articles corresponding to each keyword. So if we look at Accident Chiropractor Miami and we click the edit button, you can see a little bit of a header. And here's the article which we wrote for her. It's like a 400 to 500 word article. And here, if you look, you can actually go in and you can edit this. So if she wanted to add more content, or if she wanted to omit something that was inaccurate, she could just go into the dashboard and it instantaneously will change it. Let's show you how the content looks on the website. We add a small piece of code on the site which allows us to display the content. So if you go down to the bottom of the page, now one thing is that this does not change the look or feel of a website. We don't want to change the marketing message at all. But you can see as I'm scrolling the cursor, that article button is appearing. If you click on the articles, it will show we go to Accident Chiropractor Miami, and then the article is displayed. And what our software does is when we put the code on it, it actually takes the content and it creates files of information from all the articles, which we call siloing, and it submits them to the search engines and the crawlers in a regimented way that they really like. And it gives the content that we generate for our customers more authority. Now, linking is also very important, and customers have issues about linking because of the penguin updates sometimes. So it's very important that you have relevant links from established businesses. You don't want to have links from blogs and junky directories and things like that. And here, we only built 88 links for the doctor, but each of these links is completely relevant. So you can take a look and you can see. And one of the things our company does, which is completely transparent, so you can actually see every single link that we built. And you can see they're all in a category. A doctor. There's some health and beauty. Massage body work relates to chiropractic. Every one of these websites are a relevant business. So if we were to take a look, here's a dental clinic. And you can click on it, and this is a real business. and this is in Calgary. And they end up getting a link from here, here, and here. And so this company, if we look, is an established business. It's been around for many years. And so you can see every single link. And if for some reason you don't like a link that you received, you can click the button. It says enabled, and you just click it. And that link is no longer pointing to you. So if anyone had a concern or an issue about link building, you can simply disable a link or enable it, and it would no longer be pointing to your site. With most SEO companies, as you know, if you build links, there's no transparency. You have to ask for a list of links in your campaign, and after it's compiled, if you don't like a link, you have to try and contact the webmaster to remove it. But that's not the case here. It's instantaneous. So that's Dr. Gomez, and again, she's been with us for about 4 to 5 months, and she has actually added to her campaign. She now has a 40 keyword campaign with us. She's been so happy.